If travel was possible for you, before the boarding pass, before the trip is planned, there's a moment, a pause, a quiet thought you keep locked away. I wish we could go somewhere, but it's just too hard, too overwhelming, too many what ifs. I see you, the mom who used to dream of vacations, but now dreams of just getting through the day without a meltdown in the grocery store parking lot. You've convinced yourself that travel isn't for families like yours. That's a luxury meant for people with easy kids and simpler lives. But you're wrong. Not because your pain isn't real, but because no one ever showed you what's possible or how to start slowly, safely, and with support. Travel doesn't begin with a ticket, it begins with a thought shift, a mind shift, a tiny crack in the belief that says, we don't do things like that. And inside that crack, a spark, a flicker of hope. Hope that maybe, just maybe, your child can learn to feel safe at an airport. That maybe you can take a short flight together. That maybe there's more to life than surviving the next meltdown. I'm here to help you find that spark, not to push you to book a cruise or flight or vacation tomorrow, but to show you that even thinking about travel again is an act of courage. So today, this video is just a seed, a planted seed somewhere in the back of your mind. One little moment to say, you're not broken, and neither is your child. Your child is not too much. Society's just going to have to learn how to handle it. You don't have to have it all figured out. Not right now, and not alone. You just have to be willing to wonder again, to imagine, to say, think, and feel. What if this time we had help? What if we just started with a small step? Not a trip, just a mindset reset, a mind shift in our thought process. That's where it really begins, in your mind, how you think of a thing. And that is what becomes your reality. So, no, you're not packing a bag today, but maybe you're unpacking something even heavier, the belief that travel isn't for you or your neurodivergent child. Let's set that one down just for today and make space for something new. This is the beginning of something beautiful, friend, mom. Stick with me. You don't have to walk this path alone. We're not just preparing for takeoff, we are preparing for hope. So if you're ready to change your mind and to have that reset, then click on the link below and set up a time to talk with me. And I'll help guide you step by step through this new mindset of yours, these new possibilities, these new what ifs.